So guys, for the first step, if you're on this screen, then in the bottom right, you want to click right here, accessibility. And now you want to select on-screen keyboard. You can now use this to type in your password. So now I'm going to sign into Windows. And then once you're on Windows, you want to right click on the Windows Start icon. And now you want to click on Settings. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Accessibility. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Keyboard. You want to click on that. And now you want to scroll down again till we see on-screen keyboard. You want to turn this on. And we should now be seeing this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search. And now using this, you want to type in registry editor. We should now be seeing this. Click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now we're going to expand services. And now you want to find I8042. We're going to scroll down till we get to I right here. I8042 PRT. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find start. Double click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make the validator 1. So in this box right here on the validator, you're going to type in 1 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the phone should be fixed.